Nokia is all set to launch yet another spectacular smartphone in the market soon. According to the information, this smartphone is going to blow your mind with its 24GB RAM and a stunning 250-megapixel DSLR quality camera. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 2 5G smartphone. The company claims that its attractive design and powerful features will make even the iPhone look pale in comparison. If you're also excited to get your hands on this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're going to reveal all the details about its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 2 5G. Display. First, let's talk about its display. This phone comes with a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a 144Hz refresh rate, and a 390Hz touch sampling rate. On top of that, it also features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 8 for added durability. Camera setup. The camera on this new Nokia phone is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. On the back, you get a quad camera setup, with a primary 250-megapixel sensor. Additionally, it includes a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel depth sensor. As for the front camera, you get a 50-megapixel sensor, for stunning selfies and smooth video calls. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, this phone is a beast. It packs a 7000 mAh battery, with 125-watt fast charging support, and a Type-C charging port. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Processor. Under the hood, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 2 5G is powered by the most powerful mobile chipset to date, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Whether you're into professional gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone will handle everything smoothly. On the software front, it runs on the latest Android 15 out of the box. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. The estimated cost of this smartphone is around $1,000. As for the launch date, Nokia is expected to release this phone by the end of this year.